Hey everybody, Mark Newman from Realty One Group, and today I'd love to show you a great new listing located right here in the heart of Gilbert. Let's check it out. This spacious home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and sits on a premium corner lot. From the moment you arrive, you'll appreciate the amount of space both inside and out. One of my favorite features is the backyard. Whether you're hosting family and friends or just relaxing after a long day, you'll enjoy the sparkling pool, low-maintenance artificial turf, and mature shade tree that creates a comfortable outdoor retreat. What really makes this property special is its location. You're just minutes from downtown Gilbert, where you'll find incredible restaurants, local shops, community events, and the Gilbert Civic Center. You'll also enjoy quick access to the Santan Village for shopping and dining, the rapidly growing Riviera Business District, and the Loop 202 freeway system for easy commute throughout the valley. This is the kind of home that offers more than just square footage. It offers a lifestyle. You have room for family, room to entertain, and convenient access to everything that makes Gilbert one of Arizona's most sought-after communities. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a private showing, reach out anytime. We'd be honored to provide a trusted counsel and professional representation as you explore your next move. Until next time, my friends.